Hey guys, today we'll learn how to mix a WhatsApp channel so that you could, of course, link some WhatsApp channels and invite your friends to this. So if you want to go ahead and do this, all we need to do to launch the WhatsApp application, tap on the Updates tab, and once you're here, let's tap on the option to create a new channel, right here. So over on the channel tab, just tap on the plus icon. Next, let's tap on Create Channel, tap on Continue. First you need to enter your channel name, and this is gonna go ahead and enter test channel real quick, and also a quick description. Could also provide a profile picture to this. But from here, it could now proceed with sharing this test channel, and then also inviting people to here, and also to change the channel settings, depending on your liking, and invite some admins, and basically be free with EverGold. This channel is gonna be for you. That is all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.